In this video, we're going to be setting up the styling for the profile page. So for this, we need to essentially go ahead and create a Livewire component. So if we go inside our resources folder and inside our views, Livewire, and we have this profile here, but we want to go inside pages for this one specifically. And we have this profile page here where we're then going to go ahead and display the profile page. So first and foremost, let's go ahead into our profile component here and make sure we use the correct layout. So now if you go in here, you can see this is just an empty page, which is fine for now. For now, we're just going to be setting up a bit of the styling for this page. This is going to take a couple of videos to go through. So I want to set this as hide screen. I want to have a flex in here with a justify center. And then we want to have in here a main with raw as main, class as height of screen, and we also gonna just have a quick inline style here just for the width of this. And then essentially what we want to go ahead in here and do now is we're going to have a width of 3/5, border y 0, border gray 800, and then dark border gray 200 for now. And then we're going to have a border top in here with a border gray 700. Actually, so we're going to swap these around here. So we can see the border is already created up here. And then what we want to go ahead and do now is you can create a component here, which we're going to call profile. We're going to call this edit profile, which will show and allow us to edit the profile as well. So let's say Livewire components profile, edit profile, we pass through the user. Then let's say edit profile. In here we want to say public user. And then inside this page here, we just need to have the class of border gray 800, which is for dark mode, border gray 200. And then we also want to go ahead in here and have another div in here, which is going to have all these classes. And let's just see how this looks like now. So up here, we basically are just going to have the profile page and an icon here to go back. So this is just this SVG icon to go back. And then down here, we're going to have a counter where we're going to count how many trees there are. So you're going to have an MX2, you're going to have a H2 with an MB0, text extra large, font bold, text gray 900, and we're going to have a dark text wide. And then in here we're going to have username, and we're going to have another paragraph in here. And then here we're going to have user tweets count. And then you can see we have 7 tweets, the username up here, and the back icon. Now the back icon we will make dynamic later on, but that's basically the first part of this profile page in here. The second part we're going to be doing is essentially the user card, but we'll be working on that in the next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.